da 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 da. Oh, sorry. Hello, people. I'm Tidbit, and today's topic is steroids. So, steroids are these things that you put in your body, and they can make you really big and strong. And they let you do these cool things that you wouldn't have dreamed about doing before. And you feel powerful, really powerful when you're on steroids. Believe me, I know from experience. I mean the experience of watching others. I would never actually do that. I'm getting off topic. And you notice that people pay more attention to you when you're super big. Although you can still do most of the things that you could do before taking steroids, some of it is lost. I mean, well, some of the old you disappears. And if you're taking steroids, most people don't really respect you, because you didn't work for what you have. You just sort of got it by default. And that's steroids. But seriously, I would never take steroids. I don't like needles. Or pills.